Welcome back to Basic General Knowledge Voice. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of human hair. You're in for some truly amazing facts.
Hey Rachel, did you know that our hair is actually made up of something called keratin? It's the same protein that makes up our fingernails.
Oh wow, really? It's fascinating, Luca. I've always wondered what hair is actually made of.
And get this, the average person has between 100,000 to 150,000 hair follicles just on their scalp alone. That's like having a small forest up there.
No way. But then why does my hair seem so thin sometimes? I feel like I'm constantly shedding.
Actually, that's totally normal. We naturally lose about 50 to 100 hairs every single day. But don't worry, our hair grows back pretty quickly, about half an inch every month.
That's reassuring. I've noticed my hair grows faster in summer, though. Is that just my imagination?
Not at all. Hair actually does grow faster in summer. And here's something even cooler. Hair is the second fastest growing tissue in our entire body, right after bone marrow.
That's incredible. What about hair color? I've always been curious about why people have human hair colors.
Oh, that's all down to something called melanin. There are three main types: eumelanin for black and brown hair, pheomelanin for yellow and red, and trichosiderin specifically for red hair.
And gray hair? Is it true that stress causes gray hair?
Well, gray hair is actually caused by a reduction in melanin production, but you're right, stress can definitely speed up the process. Speaking of which, did you know that hair quality can be a major indicator of our overall health?
Really? In what way?
Well, things like nutritional deficiencies, stress, and certain medical conditions can all affect our hair growth and texture. Even pregnancy can cause changes. Many women actually experience thicker hair during pregnancy due to hormonal changes.
That's so interesting. But what about different hair types? Why do some people have straight hair while others have curly hair?
That comes down to the shape of your hair follicles. Round follicles produce straight hair, while asymmetrical ones create curly hair. And fun fact, straight hair is actually the most common hair texture worldwide.
I had no idea. What about thickness? I've heard men have thicker hair than women.
That's generally true, and here's another interesting fact. People with red hair typically have fewer hair follicles, but each strand tends to be thicker. Blondes usually have more follicles, but finer individual strands.
This is also fascinating. I feel like I'm seeing hair in a whole new light now.
Right? And here's one last mind-blowing fact. A single strand of hair can be cut about 10 to 20 times before its protective outer layer, called the cuticle, begins to wear down.
Wow, I never knew hair was so complex. This has been such an eye-opening conversation.
Absolutely. And just remember, everyone, taking care of your hair isn't just about looking good. It's about maintaining a vital part of your body's health. Please follow for more interesting general knowledge videos.